back to our YouTube channel PUKKABUY.in. Today we have with us in the video the brand new Oppo Smartwatch 46mm Wi-Fi version. We'll be unboxing and reviewing it today. Let me take out the peel and open the box for you all. This is how the whole box looks like. Let me open the box, and as soon as we open it, we get to see the Oppo Watch 46mm in the black color. This is how the watch looks. It has a plastic wrapping on the screen and the rear heart rate sensor. Let us keep it aside and check out the rest of the inbox content. On removing this front partition, we get the Oppo VOOC charger. This is a 4-pin VOOC charger for the smartwatch, which provides around a day or half battery life and 15 minutes of charge. This is an absolute fast charger for the smartwatch. We have some paperwork with us here. This is the quick start guide and the safety guide for the Oppo watch. We also have some extra strap holders in case you lose one. This is of much help. Now let us keep this aside and check out the watch. Opening this plastic wrapping, we have the smooth, smart and elegant screen. On the right side we have two physical buttons. One is for the app menu and one is for personalization feature. On the back side we have the heart rate sensor and the 4-pin charger pin port. On the left side we have two speakers. Now let me boot it. On booting the watch, we see that there's a Oppo branding which comes on the screen. This watch is powered by Wear OS of Google. Setting up the watch usually takes up to 10 to 15 minutes depending upon your Wi-Fi speed, and this is how the booting screen looks like. Tap to begin. We are asked to choose our language, that is English, United States. Oppo watch terms of use: agree to the privacy policy, not joining the user experience program. Now what we have to do is download and open the Wear OS app on our smartphone for setting up this smartwatch. The smartphone, we have to agree to the terms of service of Google. Make Wear OS better. Yes, I do agree, we need to make it better. We have to now link our smartwatch to our smartphone by Bluetooth. You have to pair with the Oppo smartwatch via the Bluetooth. Our smartwatch and the phone stands connected. Now our phone will try and gather some watch details. This might take a few minutes. Setting up this Oppo smartwatch is actually practically very easy, and it's not a very hassle, so you won't mind doing it instantly when you get your watch. Now we'll have to choose which accounts we want to copy to our watch. So I choose my personal account. The phone and the Google copies our Google account to the smartwatch so that all our data, phone logs, applications, etc., everything is there on our watch. The Wear OS will grant access to our call logs, SMS, phone calls, contacts, calendar, and notification settings, location accesses, everything. And the watch is now all set up. We have the option of selecting our tiles, that is the watch faces and the applications. Now we go on to some other app that is called the Hey Tap Health app for the Wear OS, designed by Oppo. And we have to sign up here using our email address and password. We connect our watch to the Hey Tap app, and then we set up the preferred wrist and wearing time, etc. This is much of your health tracking, etc. uh, the step count, flights count, heart rate monitoring, etc. So whatever you do, you can monitor it via the Hey Tap Health app on your smartphone. Now the watch gives us a small tutorial on how to use this smartwatch. This tells us about the various features and applications it has in it. The right side shows us the daily activity, heart rate, and sleep, and we can even touch and hold to add tiles like tutorials, sleep, workouts, etc. On the top side we have the control center of the watch. We can put on flight mode and other settings. On the bottom side we have the notification panel. We get all the notifications here. On the left side we have the Google Assistant. It shows us the weather, hourly forecast, and we can ask questions. We get a small quote even, and shows us time. Now we press this button on the right side, top right button, for the applications which are installed in our app and our watch. We can even change the watch faces in the watch itself. We have plenty of options here, limited on the watch but plenty of them in the smartphone app. Your watch is all set to use now. I hope you all like the video. Please subscribe to PUKKABUY and like the video. Thank you so much.